What's going on, guys? You got Quasi of Quasi Media Network, Quasi Animation Studio, clear the way on the studio channel. Alrighty then. So right here we have on the screen a Xenoverse character. As you've seen in the description and the title, we're talking about bone constraints because I want you guys that are going to use this for whatever, posing characters, animating or whatnot, not to struggle with the bone issues that you have. So we're gonna go into pose mode. All right. Turn the screencast keys back on. And so what you're going to find here, let's go over to the object data properties. Bone collection is going to be empty. And I want to move the helper bones. So we're going to create this here. And I'm just going to put in miscellaneous bones. And I'm going to turn it off. Okay. And I just want to move the armor parts to that. Okay. So hit M, go there. Okay. So you're going to end up with the helper bones and the arm bones. Okay. So I'm going to hide the arm bones by hitting H clearly. And then I'm going to select this bone. And then we're going to go down to the bone constraints. I'm going to go to transform, copy transform, and under where it says target and owner, we're going to go local, and then on the other one, we're going to go local. Okay, and then we're going to click the eyedropper, select the bones. Okay, so what I want to do is select the other one, and then come over here and select this one. Go up to pose, shift select that one, go to pose, and then go to constraints and copy constraints selected. Now, come over here and you're going to type in arm. So because even though we know that that's the left side in 3D space, for some reason Xenoverse models are backwards. So we're going to go to right arm, which that's the one that it would be for the bones. And then over here, we're going to go left arm one. Okay. And then we're going to hit Alt H and bring those back. So let me show you what it did. This is what it did. It kept you from having the wonkiness. Now, if I turn this off, okay, and I click this now, you'll get this warped look. If you look, you see how it warps. However, if I turn it back on, now, because, okay, yeah, so let me, right? So now it moves with it. See the difference? Okay. And then you will do the exact same thing here. So I'm going to shift select all of that, hit H, and these leg helpers. So here with the leg helper, we're going to do the same thing. And select the bones. And then I'm going to go over, click this one, shift select. Always click the one you want to get the share copy, and you go to click that one first and then shift select the first one, the one with the constraint. Okay, so click that, and then on this one leg right one, and then on this one leg left one. All right, and now we're gonna hit Alt H, bring those back, and if we click this, we're gonna see now that this is moving with that. Again, if you remove the constraint, if you turn the constraint off and click this, you'll see that it's wonky. Okay, so we want to click that and turn it back on. All right, so there you have it. Just want to show you guys that. Now, however, there are more bones that are going to be in there that you don't want. So let's open this up, and we're going to click here, and I'm going to hit G. So you see here, you're going to see this foot, and it goes down here, and this is a bone that does nothing. Okay, so if I go and hit tab to go to edit mode, I can delete that bone. Okay, well, you're going to get multiple of those, especially here. Okay, in the hand. So if we go back to pose mode, we'll see right there G, hand. So we don't want that. Delete those. So you'll do the same thing, and you also have one for the head. Also, the head, the pelvis, because there'll be one for the pelvis. See G, G underscore C underscore pelvis. You don't want that. So we want to delete those because it's not going to do anything with those. Okay, and I'm just showing you just some simple stuff. So again, that constraint is going to help you. So for instance, if we go into pose mode, and let's say I want to use one of my post libraries that I have, I come in here, and now when I go and do this, the wonkiness that I would usually get if I didn't have that there, I don't have. See, works just fine. Okay, so let me give him I'll do this one, and then click that. All right, and ta-da, there you go. Works so smooth without you having major issues. And I hope that helps someone.